G. So excited you're here again with us, joining us in this crystal adventure. We're creating this grid. As I'm talking about them, they're just so yummy to be in the energy of all these crystals. And the one next Vogel that I'm going to share with you is one of my favorite, although I love them all. But this, over the summer I had a very challenging dark night of the soul on the physical level, and this cut was with me every day in many different parts of my body with different stones. This is one of my favorites, so I have a few different stones with the same cut because they're so powerful. So I have quite a few of them. A lot of people fall in love with this particular cut, so I have quite a few of them to share with you. And there are different sizes, and so I'm gonna show them off. I'm actually wearing my very, I had this with me so much over the summer. This is a blue-green Colombian Obsidian, and I'm not going to go into too much detail of the qualities of the stones here because I have so many of them. But this particular one, it's just so incredibly for the heart space. It's so amazing for healing, for opening up to abundance, health abundance, not just money, you know, quality of life abundance. And so anyway, I will start sharing a little bit about, because they're, you know, they're just like, oh, pick me. So I'm gonna start over here with this beautiful man-made. So I'll just show again. This is a piece of natural quartz, and this is a brick of man-made quartz. So this Siberian quartz is actually absolutely exquisite. It has, on top it has a rectangular phenacite or phenakite, depending on how you want to pronounce it. It is just beautiful. And so the magician cut is a pendant. It is designed to bring the wearer into harmony with the 4 elements and the 4 directions. So this particular cut is loaded with energetic, and I feel like this is why it's so popular. So also it has a double termination on the back and in the front, so as you can see right there. And so this is one of them. I actually made, so the earrings are shorter and I added pearls, so I have the same blue-green obsidian here in my earrings with the pearls, and we can do that for people if they choose to. The next one I'm going to share with you is a rose quartz with dendrite, and again, super duper exquisite. It has this amazing ability to harmonize energy. So the 4 directions are north, east, south, west, but then you have the in-between directions. And there is consciousness in itself in these directions. So I'm gonna come right along. So again, there are 3 different sizes. This is the mini. This one has angel aura and morganite on top. So angel aura has been, the quartz crystal, white clear crystal, has been baked with silver to create that iridescence. And so these minis are just beautiful, and they make gorgeous earrings too. And the smoky is super protective. So this is the medium size, super duper protective. So as it has the directions, it also has the elements. So you're really working with the quality of the stone and the quality of the cut, the Vogel cut itself. So the elements itself, again, just like the directions, it is consciousness itself. It's earth, air, fire, water. It is combining those 2 different protocols and kind of bringing them together. And so this one is another mini that is absolutely adorable. This is preciolite and dendrite on the very top. So as you can see here, very, very sparkly and just a gorgeous, gorgeous, clear color. I'm gonna move along. So the Vogels come also with 3 stones. So one above, one below. the magician cut, magician stone. So this one is Tanzanite, which is good. It's a teardrop that's triangular on the top, and Tanzanite, golden labradorite, which is phenomenal for energy. I had one of those on me over the summer because my adrenals were a mess. So that's super amazing for building up your energetic, like physical energy to move around and to think and to feel and all of that kind of stuff. And then underneath, it's almost like a little heart, is phenacite or phenakite. So here's another one right there. And this combination is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. To me, it's just, it's like, and you can wear so many different things with them. And I'm gonna share, there are a couple with these 3 stones. This is Colombian Obsidian, which is what I'm wearing right now in this pendant in my earrings. Hassanate garnet and garnet and moldavite. So again, a beautiful combination. I just love the inclusions, and the garnet is just exquisite. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And another one that to me, this is like peaches and cream, the combination of these 3. It's pink tourmaline, which is so sweet, golden labradorite again, and morganite. So the golden labradorite is the one with the magician cut, the magician stone. And so the magician stone pendant has a star exhibiting 4-fold symmetry appearing within it. One can see other stars refracted within the star as well. So it's really a phenomenal piece, and a piece that you can really see that really well is the amethyst that I have right here. It's this chunky, and so as you can see like the back has the same kind of cuts, but they're pyramids within each other. And so the equilateral cross symbolizes the tetrahedron, or 4-sided pyramid. It is a geometrical principle underlining many types of both organic and inorganic molecules that provides the microcosmic structure of diamonds and of amino acids that are the building blocks of all life form in planet Earth. So this is what this is igniting and celebrating in this cut. This is a clear quartz with Bhaiya blue obsidian. So the blue Bhaiya is on the top, and that's actually from Brazil. Bhaiya is a state in Brazil, right in northeast. So again, it's a beautiful, very vibrant blue. And there's no surprise that the equilateral cross is an ancient symbol of the mother goddess that represents the 4 elements of earth, air, fire, and water, and the 4 directions of the compass. This is an extraordinary cut. It's both beautiful and enchanting. It truly, truly is. So I'm going to, so 2 more to go. So this is a Tibetan blue obsidian and white topaz on the very top. So, this, believe it or not, this is actually from a river. It's called the Yarlung Zangbo River in Tibet. So you literally have this gorgeous, gorgeous cut from the waters in a river in Tibet. I mean, you couldn't get better than that. This is just super, super, super powerful. And I am going to close this with one of my favorite. I just got this in the last shipment. It's golden labradorite with morganite on the very top. And it is yummy. This is super duper incredible. And the energy that this combination of pyramids and equilateral cuts, it produces a feeling of well-being centered in the universal flow, connecting to source and earth in powerful ways. So it's all about oneness. In addition, the nourishing flow of the 4 directions, it supports the wearer in manifesting extraordinary luck and abundance. And potentially that's why this cut is very popular. But it just feels incredibly. So here we have it. I am so excited and grateful for your presence here, for you enjoying learning and growing with us as we share these wonderful energetics. I hope you feel uplifted. Thank you so much for being here and blessing us with your presence. And check us out on Be Present Wellness for wonderful, wonderful things existing and to come. Sat Nam. Bye-bye.